Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Telegram on desktop, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Download the Telegram desktop application from the official Telegram website. Open the installer file once the download is complete. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the application on your computer. Launch the Telegram app after the installation finishes. You will see a welcome screen prompting you to start. Choose the option to sign in with your phone number. Enter your phone number in the provided field. Click on the Next button. You will receive a verification code via SMS. Input the verification code into the application. Once verified, you will have access to your Telegram account. Explore the interface, which consists of a sidebar on the left. This sidebar displays your chats, contacts, and groups. To start a new chat, click on the pencil icon at the top. Search for the contact or group you wish to message. Select the contact to open the chat window. Type your message in the text box at the bottom. Press Enter to send your message. To create a new group, click on the menu icon and select New Group. Add contacts to your new group by selecting them from your list. Once you've added the desired contacts, click Create. To customize your profile, click on the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. In Settings, you can change your bio, profile picture, and more. To utilize voice calls, navigate to a contacts chat and click on the call icon. For file sharing, click on the paperclip icon in the chat window. Choose the file you want to send and click Open. Telegram also allows you to create channels for broadcasting messages. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.